Here's the finished product, guys, from the SIBO Christmas cooking class. Doesn't it look amazing? To get the party started, I showed you how to make my roasted eggplant dip with vegetable crudités and my warm roasted vegetable salad, which is perfect to go with my turkey. And if you're looking for a lovely soup to start your Christmas day, you can't go past my roasted spiced pumpkin soup with some lovely pumpkin seeds on top for extra crunch. In the class today, I made a rolled turkey with a cranberry stuffing. Look how golden and delicious that turkey has come out. I can't wait to eat it, guys. I've got a beautiful lemon tart, which is completely dairy-free, but not yum-free. If you love gingerbread as much as I do, you will love my gingerbread cookie sandwiches. And I've also got a beautiful berry crumble, which works perfectly with my homemade ice cream.